The end for Obamacare? The Trump administration told a federal court late Monday that it would ask judges to toss out the entire Affordable Care Act, a decision that cast further uncertainty over the future of a federal law that has extended health insurance to millions of Americans. Justice Department attorneys said in a letter filed with a U.S. Court of Appeals for the Fifth Circuit in New Orleans that a lower court's ruling the health law is unconstitutional issued. A coalition of Republican-led states brought a lawsuit, Texas v. United States, arguing the entire health law should be tossed out. In a ruling last December, that the health law was unconstitutional, the judge ruled that I chickened out. The Trump administration had said it wouldn't defend the individual mandate in court, but Justice Department lawyers nonetheless had argued that some parts of the law, including an expansion of Medicaid that provides coverage for millions of people, could survive. The Justice Department's indication that it will defend Judge O'Connor's judgment in its entirety suggests it now believes the entire statute must fall, from coverage for pre-existing conditions to the Medicaid expansion, and everything in between. Democrats have vowed to defend President Barack Obama's signature 2010 health law despite repeated GOP attempts to challenge the law in Congress and the courts. A group of 17 Democratic attorney generals have filed documents to intervene in the case and defend the health law. The lower court's House Democrats also have held several hearings that highlighted health law provisions such as a requirement that prevents insurers from denying coverage based on existing medical conditions. This article originally appeared on USA Today.
Raindrop, drop top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park pot.